Welcome to Nausea Talk. Conversation 33. Replacing a broken cell phone. Hello? Hi, Carol. This is Jane. What are you doing today? I have to go to the mall. I broke my cell phone. What happened? I dropped it outside on the concrete. Oh no, that's terrible. I hope it can be fixed, or I'll have to buy a new one. Would you like me to go with you? Sure. If they can't fix it, maybe you can help me pick out a new one. Okay. Do you want to have lunch together afterwards? I don't think I'll have time. I have to attend my last class at 2 p.m. How about tomorrow? Tomorrow is better. Where do you want to go? You pick the restaurant. It will be my treat since you're having a bad day. Thanks. That's so nice of you. My pleasure. Let's go check out the phone store now.